Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to create high-quality Canva templates for your online store, step by step, so you can save time and maintain a consistent brand across all your marketing materials. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, choose the type of template you want to create, like product listings, social media posts, or promotional banners. Picking the right format ensures your content fits the platform perfectly. Next, open a template or start from scratch. Begin by customizing it with your brand colors, fonts, and logo. Canva allows you to create a brand kit so these elements are applied consistently across all your designs, keeping your store visually cohesive. Now add high-quality images of your products and make sure they're properly aligned. Use grids, frames, or shapes to give your template a polished, professional look. You can also include text placeholders for product descriptions, prices, or special offers, making it easy to update later. After that, enhance the template with icons, graphics, or subtle design elements from the Elements tab. Keep it simple and clean to ensure the focus stays on your products while still looking engaging and visually appealing. Finally, preview your template, make any adjustments, and click Share or Download. PNG or JPG works for digital use, while PDF is great for print or catalogs. And yeah, that's it. With Canva, you can create professional templates that save time, maintain branding, and make your online store look polished. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.